Okay, let's look at the files and folders of our newly created React app. Let me drag the entire folder to Sublime Text. Okay, this is our folder structure here. We will be spending most of our time inside source folder. Don't get intimidated by the list of files and folders. We will cover them step by step. Here, let's go to index.js. This is the main file here. That's why it is named index. You will see import and export throughout this application. This is ES6 feature. It simply means that we import the modules from node modules folder. Simply speaking, modules are a bunch of codes. React, React DOM are modules. They live as a package in node ecosystem. Here we are importing them because we want to use them. Have a look at the node modules folder. You will find React and React DOM here, along with hundreds of other modules. They are like a chain, dependent upon one another. Here we have index.css, where we can write some CSS for our entire application. And it has been imported here in index.js. Let's go to app.js. This is what being rendered in the browser. For the moment, let's make a small change and see what happens. I have not saved yet. As soon as I save, you will see the browser updates automatically. This is called hot module reloading. This is super cool. Back to index.js. Notice this app. This is app component exported from app.js. Class app extends component, which means it becomes one with the global React component. We will talk more about classes later. This is app component imported into index.js. So the app has been rendered using the React DOM render method in index.js file into the root. Root is a div. See document get element by ID. Let's see where it lives. It lives inside public folder. It is an empty div. This is where our React app will render. Are you excited? You must be. Let's get right into the next lesson. I can't wait to write some React code.